For the tax 3, we need to go to API slash v1, then make a directory called auth, and then inside this auth directory create a dunder init, and another one auth. So v1 auth auth.py. Then we import from app from just a public method. Okay, return false, none, and none. I guess for now this should be none. Also for now this should be none. For this fourth task, we are going to be implementing the criteria for deciding when a path needs to be authenticated or not for this require auth method. So the first one says to return true if path is none. So say if path is none, if there is no path, then we return true. Then the second one says to return true if excluded path is none or empty. So if excluded path is none or excluded path is empty, we are going to return true. Then this one, the third one says to return false if path is an included path. So we say if we return false, then here we say we can assume that excluded path contains string. Okay, excluded path always ends with slash, and the method has to be slash tolerant, so that in a way that when we have path, it should always end with a slash. So what we can do here, for path to always end with slash, I think we should move this to the top side. Then we say if path is provided and path, and if the path ends with, or should I say, and if path does not end with the slash, then we are going to add slash to the path. So this way, so far there is no, the path does not end with a slash, we are always going to add slash to it before any other check. And then here, I think if path is in excluded path, return false. But we are going to add this condition here. If path if path is not in excluded path, we are going to return true. Because also if path is not in excluded path, it means that the path needs authentication, which is true. Yes, it needs authentication. And then if the path is in excluded path, which means it doesn't need authentication, so that's why we're returning false. I guess if any other thing happens, we just return false. So here we are testing out this required auth method. I guess here this should return true. Yes. Then since path is none, should we also return true. Here path is provided, but there is no excluded path, so it should also return true as well. Here path is in excluded path, so this should return false. It doesn't need authentication. Here path is in excluded path because our condition here says that if it doesn't end with a slash, like this one doesn't end with a slash, so slash is going to be added to it, so they are both the same. So this is going to return false. It doesn't need authentication. Then path is not in excluded path, so this is supposed to return true. And here users is not in excluded path, so it's going to return true. It needs authentication. So let's run this. Let me see. Okay. Let's see. So he returned true three times, first three times, and then followed by two false, and then the last two true.